Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Panda Express gift card. First of all, head to any Panda Express location or order online through their website or app. At the restaurant, simply hand your gift card to the cashier when it's time to pay. They will swipe it and the balance will be applied to your purchase. Ordering online, during checkout, look for the gift card option, enter the gift card number and PIN found on the back of the card. Complete your payment. If your gift card balance doesn't cover the total, you can pay the difference with another payment method. And that's it. Using your Panda Express gift card is quick and easy. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching.